siga.
Sabi ni J. Carl, nababahing na ako.
Hindi, yung most, yung most parang kalye, like, very tough, gano'n.
Monster! IX 93.1!
Never mind. Tigil na natin to.
Ikaw ang dami mong
Monster Radio!
Ang daming eh.
Top 10 na tayo.
Sige. Here we go. Everybody, here we go.
Rick Robles yun.
Here we go. Everybody, here we go.
Yeah.
Everybody in the house say, hey!
Ano ba? 10:02 na.
Oh my God! Coming from Chinito Ken. Thank you to Chapuccino and Spencer the Worker for the topic. Why I should vote for you. Sabi ni Chinito Ken, aminado ako. After 2 terms as senator, wala akong naipasang batas kahit isa. But who knows, malay nyo, 3rd time's the charm. Maybe a 3rd term. Meron na akong magagawa.
Gosh. What makes you think magagawa mo siya
Right?
sa pangatlong try?
And from J.R. Keita, magnanakaw ako sa kaban ng bayan. But don't worry, maaambunan din naman kayo. Gee, thanks.
So may tigo
Alam mo,
100 kayo sa million na.
You'd be surprised, ha? Nakakatawa siya as an entry, pero like, for all you know, in some twisted way,
That's how they
there
think.
might be some people who actually think this way. Na parang,
Magiging
maaambunan
generous
kayo.
naman ako
Magiging
pag may
generous naman